subscribe. Let's sing and learn, it's so much fun. M-N-O for everyone. We'll explore, we'll move, we'll shout hooray. Come along, let's start today. M is for monkey, so playful and wild. Swinging, dancing just like a child. Scratch your head, make a funny face. Clap your hands and jump in place. N is for nightingale, listen so clear. Tweet, tweet songs, lovely to hear. Flap your wings and sing so sweet. Dance to the rhythm, move your feet. Oh, 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 oh. Turn your head and look so cute. Flap your wings in the quiet night. Be an owl so wise and bright. P is for panda, soft and round. Crunching bamboo with a munching sound. Roll, roll, tumble and play. Let's be pandas all the way. Q is for quail, so small and fast. Hiding in bushes as we run past. Tiptoe softly, don't make a sound. Let's find the quail all around. Oh, 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 oh. Turn your head and look so cute. Flap your wings in the quiet night. Be an owl so wise and bright. Oh, 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 oh. Turn your head and look so cute. Flap your wings in the quiet night. Be an owl so wise and bright. Jump, jump, jump. Wiggle your nose, thump, thump, thump. Let's hop together. 1, 2, 3. Bouncing like rabbits, wild and free. S is for squirrel, quick and small. Climbing up trees, so nimble and tall. Crunching acorns, 1, 2, 3. Let's hop like a squirrel, just like me. Oh, 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 oh. Leaping high, let's count to 4. Pounce and play, run with pride. Like a tiger, side to side. U is for unicorn, sparkle and shine. Prancing around in a dance so fine. Gallop, twirl, wave up high. Like a unicorn touching the sky. All to you we sang today. Learning is fun in every way. Jump, twirl, and dance once more. Come back soon for letters galore.